Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 95% discount plus a free domain from Hostinger. So these are special limited time summer deals. So I want you guys to take the advantage of it by simply clicking on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed to a page like this, and here you can see up to 85%, 80% off, but I'm going to make it 95% for you guys. So you have to watch this video in full in order to claim a free domain plus 95% discount from Hostinger. So you can see a 30 days money back guarantee is valid over here, which is an amazing exclusive feature by Hostinger. Now look around in the reviews on Trustpilot. 69,980 reviews on Trustpilot is an amazing number. Trustpilot is an industry independent review based website, and let's see what people are saying for the Hostinger. Also the 4.7 is an amazing number, but 5 star I have a very positive experience with Hostinger support. Most of the executives are so pathetic, but Ray understood the scenario properly, and and applied the required changes that worked at once. So you can see 5 star over here, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star. So almost everyone praises Hostinger. So this is one of the reasons why I opted and why I want you guys to take the advantage of this summer sale plus a free domain offer as well from Hostinger. So if you are using WordPress to get your website, Hostinger has build a WordPress website. You can easily create WordPress website. And if you are coming from another hosting company, Hostinger has a migrate to Hostinger service where it's a single or 100 website. Hostinger team is going to manage all, and that too free of cost with this. Where the competitors have to pay, you have to pay $2,400 or more. Hostinger offers all of this free of cost over here. So now scroll below over here and move on to the plans. Now these are the plans at Hostinger. That you can get as much as up to 95% discount on any of the plan, but my recommendation is to do a thorough search before choosing any plan, and the free domain is valid on all of the plans. You can see domain free, domain free, domain free. So in order to grab your free domain, I want you guys to do your research. If you ask me, the limited, also known as the business plan, is the current plan. I am using it. So let's simply select the choose plan, but you can choose any plan as per your convenience and your requirement. Once you select the choose plan, now you will be redirected to another page, and now over here you can see that Hostinger by default offer you 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24 and 48 months. If you want me to ask how I can save the maximum amount of money, you can offer the 48 months. You can save the maximum amount of money because these prices won't appear again. You can see you are also getting free domain for the 1 year with this order and free mailboxes. You can claim your free domain by writing over here or later on through the Hostinger control panel, also known as each panel. Now once I select my domain, I'm going to make it 1 year, so I do not have to pay anything additional for it. After this, I can see my summary over here. It's 80% over here. Daily backup $20. Now select I have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. So guys, make sure to click on the link in the description to enjoy this amazing deal. So you can see you got 80% over here, plus daily backup $100, free domain plus 10% over here. It's more than 90%, 95%. 10% plus 80% is 90%. Daily backup, reach 100, free domain plus you are also getting free mails is making you 95% discount. Sorry, it's 95% discount over here. After this, simply select the continue over here. And now you may be asked to log in at Hostinger, or need to create a new account at Hostinger, or need to synchronize with your Google account. But since I'm already synchronized and logged in, which is I'm at the last part, once you write your bank details, see your order summary, your free domain is valid, your coupon code is applied. Now selecting on payment methods. And now this is what I like regarding Hostinger. Hostinger offer you variety of payment method, guys. You can buy credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So guys, you have variety of payment methods to choose to pay your payment, and this is what I like regarding Hostinger. So let's say I'm going to credit card, write my credit card details and simply select the submit payment. Once I select the submit payment, within few minutes I'm going to get an email from Hostinger with all of my account details and my free domain as well. So just for a revision, I've been using Hostinger from the last 5 years. My experience so far is very good, and these are special limited time summer deals, and I want you guys to take the advantage of it by simply clicking on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code as I have told you, and claim your free domain and amazing discount from Hostinger with these limited time deals. So good luck with the hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.